Very easy to fly too. It's basically hands off as it goes past. Once you've got them set up and trimmed properly, low passes are no problem at all. It just holds the altitude. It's under half throttle there. You can fly it slower. Beautiful. All my wings, I'm trying to keep the centre of gravity stable, but back as far as I possibly can. This one is like that. I can take it up high and it'll glide. It'll even thermal at times. But it'll do aerobatics, nice slow loops. Little roll, barrel rolls. High switcher off there and then glide into the breeze with ease. 1200mm wingspan. It weighs 810 grams, this one, so I've built it fairly light. Of course, got no FPV gear in it. But the glide is amazing. That's just gliding. The big V delta wing looks majestic in the air. Almost reach out and touch it. That Sunnysky motor is humming beautifully. Running a 3000 mAh battery on this one.